Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a very easy solution to splitting up a column of data that has multiple columns of data in it. It's a weird thing to say, but as you can see here on the screen, this is data I've downloaded from the NOAA site that has data about the Bering Sea. And we have 3 columns of data, but they're all in a single column, and we want to split them up. If you tried to do this manually, it would be a huge hassle. It would take you forever until you died, but luckily it's an easy fix. Excel will do it for you automatically, and here's how you do it. We select all the cells that we want to split up. We'll scroll back up here. And then we're in the Data tab, as you can see. Normally you're on the Home tab here, but we want to be in the Data tab up here. And then if you notice right here is this function text to columns. We click on that and it opens up the wizard, and now it's just a matter of clicking next, next, next in order to get it done. I never choose delimited. I always use fixed width. If for whatever reason you want a delimited sheet, you can do that. I've never had to. So I choose fixed width. I say next. I've also never had to create or delete or move break lines. It's always worked out perfectly the way they've set it up. I mean, here I might want to think about doing it, as we'll see in a moment. But then I say next. And this is really the most useful of the screens, because here if you leave it on general for column data format, if you leave it on general, then Excel does its best to convert the data into what it thinks it should be. So if it thinks it should be a date, it'll convert it to a date and values to numbers and so on. And it's always worked fine for me. The advanced tab isn't actually all that advanced. I don't use that either. If you want to be more specific, you can do that here. And then you just say finish, and there you go. See, this is why I might have needed a break line. But so now it's done. Very easy, and splits it up like that. However, I'll just show you one other thing very quickly. If you don't want to do that, maybe you wanted to move the data over to the side to work on it, you can do that also. It's very easy. We'll go back through the wizard. But here, let's say, I don't know, we'll start it at C10 instead of A10. And when you say finish, there you go. All the data is converted perfectly with the type of data maintained into its own section of the spreadsheet. Very easy to use, an easy built-in function. I'm not sure many people know about that, and so I just wanted to fill you in.